Back on the bank again. Got a couple of days off. Been round the houses this morning. I was out at, I don't know, up at 6, 6:45. Drove to a spot where I was going to fish. The chap just down there, he's fishing in the spot. He goes there quite a lot, actually. It's the chap who told me about the place, actually. He watches my videos. Nice chap. He's had a few out there. I don't know how he's getting on. He didn't have anything this morning. I don't know how he's getting on now. Anyway, so I went around the houses. So I went all the way to Ramsey. I had a couple of spots in mind. I ain't fished for a while. One had a match on it, and the other one was where I usually park the car. It's all overgrown. It's not been cut down. So I thought, well, bugger it. I'll just come back to where I know. So I've come back here. Going to give this a few hours. So been here before. It's been in one of my other videos. I think I've got 11 pounder. I think I ended up coming here just off the off chance and I got 11 pounder. Something like that. I'll have to look. So the swim, 2 rods as usual. There's a net, all done, all ready. Unlucky mat. Oh, I need my forceps. Yeah, so there's the 2 rods. Right hand rod's got lamprey. Left hand rod has got smelt. Nice smelly baits because it's a very coloured water. A lot of crap coming down as well. So I have got that one in the middle. So hopefully it won't pick up any rubbish. They're dead on the bottom at the moment. Let them thaw out. I might pop them up. See how it goes. It's So a few hours here. Then this afternoon I might go to my usual place near the railway lines. See how that's doing. I had a drive out the other day. Chaps there. They hadn't caught anything there. So, but it's running through, but not hard. I thought it'd be running through harder than this. All the rain we've had and everywhere's flooded and that. But it's bloody cold. In fact, it's colder now than it was the first thing this morning. So I don't know about that. Apparently, some wind tomorrow. I'm supposed to be out fishing tomorrow as well. We'll see how that goes. Got a lot of jobs to do around the house. So, yep, there's the old Pike-mobile. Heater still don't work. Freezing cold in there. So, right, I'll catch up with you later. I'm going to put the kettle on because I want a nice cup of coffee. Warm me up. Should have brought me soup really, shouldn't I? Never mind. Right. Right, quick update. Got me coffee. Ooh. Yeah, not a lot to report. Very slow. Still a load of crap coming down the drain. Just been repositioning the baits. I've now popped them up. See if that does any good. Yeah, that's about it really. There's not a lot going on. Still bloody cold. I've been watching a kite. I don't know where it is now. Yeah, there was a kite flying around. Just lovely, just sitting there watching it. Yeah, so see if I can get a photograph of it. It's gone now. Oh well. Anyway, so there's not much going on. Just maybe coffee. Pop both baits up. Still the same baits. Lamprey and smelt. Yeah, not a lot to report. So hopefully we'll get something. I'll give it a few more hours here. I might go back down the drain where I usually go. Might give that a go for a few hours. See how it goes. Yeah, I should be out tomorrow. It'll be a bit windy tomorrow apparently. See how that goes. So yeah, right. Diddly dee, diddly dum. Catch you in a bit. Hopefully with a pike on the bank. If not, doesn't matter, does it? Better than be at work. How we doing? Big coats on. Gloves. All wrapped up. Update. Nothing. Just put the baits back out again. Got a mackerel tail on that one now on the left hand side. Lamprey still on that. Both popped up. So the idea is, because it's murky water, there's scent there. They're popped up. They'll be waving about a little bit. So try my hardest to attract the pike to the bait. It's hard going, but better than being at work. There's a lot of crap coming down here. I don't know if you can see that behind there. It's Tracy Island. Thunderbirds. Yeah, a lot of crap coming down. A lot of water running off. It's slow going, but that's how it is. That's the way it is. I'll probably give it another couple of hours, and then I'll probably go up my usual swim. See what that's like. I did see. I think I told you. See some people up there the other day. They hadn't caught. So, but I've been around the last few days around the drains and talking to people. Not a lot of people are catching. So it's just the way it is, isn't it? It's the way it is. But yeah, so got a few things coming up. I want to do a bit of night fishing. Try again for some zander, but yeah, they are still around. I have heard some people catching some good ones as well. But it's just finding them, isn't it? You know, it's not like it used to be. I used to know all the spots where I'd catch zander. Not no more. So yeah, so I've got a few night sessions coming up, and I also want to go out and do a bit of kayaking. I've got a kayak. I ain't had it out for quite a while because last year I damaged my arm, but I think I might be all right now. Don't know. We'll give it a go. Just want to go out up one of the drains or rivers, find a spot middle of nowhere, so no one else can be there, no one else has been there, and just camp for the night. A bit of wild camping, bit of cooking, bit of fishing, just chilling really. So yeah, so like I say, I've still got lamprey on. Right hand rod and left hand rod I have got now mackerel tail. My two favourite baits. See how they go. It's not looking good, but you never know. You never know. So hopefully one of them reels will scream off and I'll run down the bank and strike into a lovely old pike. If not, doesn't matter, does it? We're out. We're out. There was a kite. It's gone now. I wanted to get some photographs, but it's gone now. Never mind. Let's see what we can do. Oh, old man, old granddad noises. Oh, you bugger. Ha ha. Right, quick update. No, it's not happening at the moment. Hopefully we'll get one, but it's one of them days I think it's not there. So I'm going to cast out again. I'm going to put them in different places. Still got the same baits, lamprey and mackerel tail. Yeah, so just going to put them out again, leave them half hour, and then I'm going to go up to my usual swim for a couple of hours to see if I can winkle one out from there. If not, it's home to make the tea. Yeah, so yeah, so I'm going to put the baits out again, reposition them, and then give it half hour, and then I'll move up the drain nearer home, and I'll have a little go there. Yeah, very quiet today, very quiet, but it's lovely being out. It's nice and still, no wind now, bit misty. Yeah, it's just good being on the banks. So if I get anything on the bank, I'll show you. If not, I'll be up the drain in my usual swim for the last couple of hours. It's about midday now, so I've had all morning here. Well, most of the morning. So yeah, catch you later. Hello. Right, moved on to on the way home, last couple of hours, to my usual swim. Nothing going down there. Didn't really feel that confident down there, to be honest. Don't know why. I don't know why. I must be sheltered from the bridge. It's warmer here. I've got the big coat off and the gloves. Yeah. Drain stopped running now. Yeah, slowed right down. In fact, I think it's going backwards. Yeah, so right, so I've got same baits out, lamprey and mackerel tail. So let's turn you around. Okay, so here we got lamprey. So that's popped up, and oh, look at that! Look, some rubbish there I've collected. Not a lot, but I'll take that home. We put it in the bin. And over here number 2 rod on the left. We have mackerel tail plonked out in the middle. So yeah, so I'll give it a couple of hours here and see how we go. I feel more confident here, to be honest. Yeah, I feel more confident here. It's one of them days, I think. Up the other bridge where I was, about 200 yards up, young man up there fishing away, and he's had nothing all day. He's been here since 5 in the morning. So, but he's, as I left him, he had you see a pike crashing the margins and some silvers topping, so that's put his confidence up. So let's hope he gets one. He said he'll let me know in the comments if he gets one. So hopefully he'll get one. But yeah, a couple of hours here, then it's home to make the tea. Yeah. So that's the update. I've moved on. I think you just know when you ain't going to catch somewhere. You know, I know you stick it out, but this is on the way home, and I do catch here. But we'll see. It doesn't matter if we don't catch. It doesn't matter. So the unhooking mat's there. The camera is there. We're ready for Mr. Pike. Hopefully Mrs. Pike. Right, stop waffling on. I'll put the kettle on again. Another coffee. I've had about 10 coffees today. Exaggerating a little bit. 4. Alright, it's like my new hat. Go outdoors. Mad. Right, hopefully see you again with a pike on the bank. If not, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Better than being at work. Right, catch you later. last knock-ins, last half hour. Just put the baits back out again. What can I do? You try your best, don't you? Pop them up, put them on the deck, inject them. You know, you try your best. The fish are not feeding, they're not feeding. Or if they're not there, they're not there. I thought I've got one out of here. I've tried lure fishing to see if they wanted to take a moving bait or anything like that. Nothing. And yeah, so I've tried everything. I've had a good day. Drank too much coffee, and tried all different methods, different baits. So the pike win today. Right, so yeah, you try everything, don't you? Try your best. Different methods, different baits. If they're not feeding, they're not feeding. If they're not there, they're not there. I ain't seen any sign of any fish topping or any pike crashing or anything like that all day. Nothing. Nothing. So the pike win today, unless I get something in the last half hour, but I just don't feel it, to be honest. I'm going to wrap this up, unless I catch something. So thanks for watching. If you got this far, it's going to be a very short video. But I've had a lovely day. You don't have to catch every day, all the time. You know, these things happen. You know, if we caught all the time, like they say, you'd get bored of it, wouldn't you? So yeah. So if I don't catch, see you next time. Hopefully, I might be out tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes. I've got quite a few things to do. I'm off now to go and cook the dinner. I've got loads of chicken left, so I'm going to make some homemade chicken soup. Beautiful. Right. Catch you again. Tight lines. Diddly-dee, diddly-dum.